So that was the great Khali, a wrestler of a different type, but he's expressing solidarity now. An interesting statement that is coming in from Vinesh Phogat's family. This is her father-in-law, Mr. Rajpal Rathi, and he wants the Indian government to put pressure on the Olympic body. He says silver is Vinesh Phogat's right, and there may have been a conspiracy, and also that they will try to assuage her and try to get her to take back her retirement decision and compete again for India. Let's listen in.
डिमांड ये है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आप इस बात पर पूरा संज्ञान लीजिए और ओलंपिक संघ पर पूरा दबाव बनाइए। जो अधिकार हमारा हक है, इस देश की बेटी है, वो हमारी कोई अकेले की बेटी नहीं है, पूरे देश की बेटी है। और उसने 3 फाइट जीती है। 6 तारीख को उस टाइम उसका वजन पूरा था और सिल्वर मेडल तक वो पहुंची है। वो सिल्वर मेडल उसका अधिकार है। वो प्रधानमंत्री जी से रिक्वेस्ट है बार बार, आप इस बात पर पूरा संज्ञान लीजिए और उसका जो अधिकार है सिल्वर मेडल का, वो दिलाने की कृपा करें।
Amandeep joins us now. Amandeep, yesterday when we spoke to her family, of course, they were in shock, but they appear to have now strongly backed her to the point that they don't want her to retire at all, and they are also alleging that there may be a conspiracy. What is her family saying? What is their mood at the moment?
Well, absolutely, Ankit. Now the mood is taking so many turns of the family just because it was not able to digest for the family, even for the Indians also, that Vinesh Phogat disqualified after reaching to the finals. The only hope for the Indian contingent in the gold medal, and she was in her full form. And in fact, now the family is saying that there might be a conspiracy behind this entire incident and the disqualification of Vinesh Phogat, and that is the reason that need to be probed, number one. Number two, they are also requesting to the Prime Minister that kindly press and push for the silver medal and appeal to the certain authorities for her silver medal even after the disqualification. And in fact, number 3 development is that Haryana government has also already considered her as a Olympic silver medalist, and all the honors and the benefits will be given to Vinesh Phogat, and she will be treated as a silver medalist of Olympic team. But the family is in a very shocked position and in a very surprising mode that how to behave. One side they are alleging there might be some conspiracy. Other side they are saying the Prime Minister requesting to the Prime Minister to consider her as a silver medalist in the Olympics and push for that to the authorities as well. So family is not able to digest this development of the disqualification.
Well, Amandeep, you know, a lot of us are unable to digest this because we came so close, and her story is so tremendous, what she's been through, that solely on the basis of that she should get a medal. But this is of course a matter of rules, and we'll await the verdict from the Court of Arbitration for Sport. I thank Arunil and Amandeep for staying with us. Viewers, we have more updates coming on the Vinesh Phogat story. There is big time politics going on. Come back to us in a few seconds. We'll be right here.